CSIR NIIT recruitment for 2020 has released. In this video, I'm just going to share you full details about this recruitment process. CSIR, National Institute for Interdisciplinary Science and Technology, which is in Trivandrum, has announced recruitment for the post of scientist and various posts. Closing date for online application starts from 27/10/2020 at 5:30 p.m. and last date for receipt of a hard copy of online application is 4/11/2020 up to 5:30 p.m. And NIIST is a premier institute of Council of Scientific and Industrial Research CSIR, and this institute is engaged in R&D of 5 boards, namely agro-processing technology, microbial process technology, chemical science and technology, material science and technology, and environmental technology. And it invites online application from enthusiastic young Indian researchers having excellent academic record and proven scientific achievements, along with requisite experience and a high degree of motivation and desire to take up research as a career in different fields and fill up the post of scientist at various levels. And the designations are scientist, senior scientist, and principal scientist. And total vacancies for scientists is 8, and for senior scientists it is 1 post, and for principal scientist it is 1 post. And pay scale for scientists is 67,700 to 2,87,000, and for senior scientists it is 78,800 to 2,92,000, and for principal scientist it is 1,23,100 to 2,15,900 rupees. And for age limit for scientist post is 32 years, and for senior scientist it is 37 years, and for principal scientist it is 45 years. And you want to know more detail about category wise vacancies, I'm just giving this official notification link in description box. You can go through that to check more details about this. And the postcode for this APDP post, the designation is you want to apply for scientist post, age limit is 32 years, and you want to complete MTech in biotechnology by agriculture engineering or PhD in food technology. And for APDT2 post, you can apply for scientist post and qualification is PhD submitted in chemistry with specialization. And for CSDT1 post, you can apply for scientist, your age limit is also 32 years, and you want to complete ME by MTech in chemical engineering. And for CSDT2 post, you can apply for senior scientist, and educational qualification is PhD in industrial chemistry by chemical engineering with 2 years postdoctoral research experience. And for EDT1 post, you can apply for scientist, and your qualification is ME by MTech in environmental engineering. And for EDT2 post, you can apply for scientist, PhD submitted in chemistry in area of chemical process by product development for industrial waste. And for MPDT post, you can apply for scientist post, and your education qualification must be PhD submitted in bioscience, biophysics by molecular biophysics, by molecular or life sciences. And for MPDT2 post, you can apply for scientist, and educational qualification is MTech or PhD. And for MSDT1 post, you can apply for a scientist post, and you want to complete ME by MTech in meteorological by material engineering. And then for MSDT2 post, you can apply for principal scientist. You want to complete PhD in physics with 3 years of postdoctoral experience. And these are the things you want to note before applying for this recruitment. And general instruction for this, this post carries usual allowances only, and the scientists are eligible for professional update allowances too. Another condition, you must be a citizen of India, and you want to apply online application before ending date. And these are the things they had given in their recruitment process. And you want to provide your educational qualification experience which are obtained from recognized universities and in the institutions, and they received or not accompanied with the required certificates document, you are liable to be rejected. And then you want to and the upper age limit and qualifications or experience will be closing date of online application and before 27/10/2020, and the period of experience prescribed shall be counted after the date of acquiring the minimum educational qualification prescribed from the grade. And then relaxations for SC/ST candidates it is 5 years, and for OBC candidate it is 3 years. And these are the relaxation process. And for widows, divorced women, and women judicially separated from husband, it is 35 years. Your age is relaxable up to 35 years. And age relaxation for disability candidates, it is 10 years. You can eligible for 10 years relaxation. And how to apply for this recruitment, you want to go to www.niist.res.in, and the online application will avail on CSIR NIST website on 27/10/2020 5:30 p.m. and you want to remit application fees of rupees 500 and through net banking, and they had given details. I'm just giving this official notification link in description box, you can go through that. And you want to keep a copy of printout of online application for their record, and you want to attach duly signed printout of computer generated application form along with your self-attested copies of certificates, mark sheets, testimonials in support of age, educational qualifications, experience, reprint of publications, caste certificate if applicable, proof of application fee remittance. These are the things you want to submit by post. And if you are belong to women SC/ST candidates, there is you are exempted from application fees. And these are the things they had given in their official notification. And these are the following documents you want to attach along with your application form. You want to send by post. I'm just giving that link in description box, you can go through that to check the postal address. And you want to pay application fees as 500 rupees, and then you want to keep your photograph, and then your date of birth certificate or else SSLC certificate with self-attested, and self-attested photocopies of educational certificates, and then caste certificate if applicable, and self-attested photocopy of EWS certificate if applicable, and self-attested photocopies of experience certificates if any you want to attach that certificates to for this recruitment process. Hope this video is useful for your process, and I'm just giving this official notification link in description box, you can go through that and apply for that post. And thanks for watching.